Are you concerned about the quality of the food that you are eating? Have you ever thought about the risks behind the food you consume? Are you aware of the quality controls that goes on behind getting your food from farms to fork? Every year, around 60 tons of antibiotics are being used in livestock worldwide. The global use of antimicrobials in animals is double compared to humans. There are almost 500 active substances approved by the EU for use in pesticides. Globally, 3 million tons of pesticides are applied annually in agriculture. Around 1% of the population suffers from food allergy. 14 allergenic ingredients are required to be indicated on the food label. About 300 marine species are involved in harmful events, and more than 100 produce persistent natural toxins that can cause death in humans and animals. The Smart Tech for Food workshop offers you the possibility to get closer to the latest developments and trends in food safety, focusing on 3 different pillars: research and development of bioanalytical detection tools, innovative approaches at industry level, and experts in quality control and regulatory aspects.
Save the date for November 25-26 for the online event of Smart Tech for Food. Don't forget to register on the link below. Organized by the FoodSmartphone project and CSIC.